Hello, my name is Dr. Ronke Oke, and this video serves two purposes. First, it's going to show you just how easy it is to record a screencast using screencast-o-matic. Second, I'm going to tell you a bit about myself and about my background so you can understand why I have been asked to facilitate this accelerated fusion course with and for Campus Compact. So let's begin. To begin, I received my Bachelor of Arts in Political Science and Philosophy from Spelman College. I also have a Master's in Philosophy from the University of Memphis and a PhD in Philosophy from Penn State University. I am currently an assistant professor of philosophy at Westchester University, where I have created in the past 2 years a total of 8 new initiatives that emphasize race and diversity and have been integrated into the department's and university strategic plans. I integrate community-based learning projects into every one of my courses, especially my Introduction to Ethics course, and work directly with community agents to design course-specific projects. I'm the only person in my department to do this and currently hold the record at my university for having the largest concentration of students completing service learning, about 120 students per semester, all without a TA. I also have created new training modules and workshops for diversity leaders that will be integrated into their current talent management and development programming. As you can see from my CV, I specialize in race and identity formation with a particular emphasis on transnational conceptions of Blackness, decolonial feminist politics, or what I refer to as Afrofeminism, and anti-racist social justice. In the past, my work sought to reconstruct a philosophical account of lived experience that does justice to the experience of race. But currently, I pursue projects that merge my interest in questions of race, citizenship, and identity with my love of African literature. This new project comes out of my commitment to see Africana literary products utilized in the growing body of work that compromises the critical philosophy of race and influencing how we conceive race on a global scale. My research has been vital to the development of a relatively new subdiscipline of philosophy, the critical philosophy of race, that endeavors to find new ways of approaching questions of race, racism, and diversity. My academic training in philosophy, research specialization in race and social identity, and political projects are expressions of a larger and deeper commitment to intellectual and material decoloniality. For most of my academic career, I've been part of various efforts to diversify my discipline and have seen, to borrow a Fanonian term, a delactification of professional philosophy. I know firsthand the limits and dangers of the political and academic project of diversification, and as such, I try to be inclusive and globalist in my sensibilities and affectations. I'm very sensitive to linguistic exclusions and violences, and I'm committed to social material change for all. My research has allowed me to participate in and facilitate cross-cultural dialogues in South Africa, Nigeria, Rwanda, Tanzania, France, Puerto Rico, and various diasporic communities all across the United States. I've taught courses at the University of Memphis, Penn State University, Prince George's Community College, and Westchester University. I've presented in academic and non-academic spaces and have taught students from middle school to continuing education adults, giving me adequate experience interacting with students of varying socioeconomic, cultural, and academic backgrounds in a classroom environment. For example, and something that I'm most proud of, is the fiction and literary course that I developed and taught for Philadelphia Futures. I renamed this course The Art of Storytelling and focus on contemporary pieces written by Black authors and authors of color in order to give students an invaluable understanding of what the perspectives of marginalized individuals can help to uncover about the world. My training as an academic philosopher has given me experience discussing and facilitating workshops and trainings on race, diversity work, anti-racist praxis, institutional responsibility, pedagogical multiculturalism, gender inclusion, and conceptions of the African diaspora. And my time in the classroom has given me experience discussing race, queer antagonism, feminism, and xenophobia as educational, cultural, and social issues. It has also forced me to think seriously about how students are impacted by their identities, to formulate student-centered programs on race and identity formation, and to cater my discussions of self-identity to individual students as well as the broader university community. In these capacities, I try to inspire campus involvement and civic engagement. My classroom and office have always served as a place of refuge for my students who express feelings of marginalization and isolation on campus. And because of the challenges I have faced as a Black woman philosopher in academia, I have a very unique insight into the barriers to education and capacity development that many minority students face and have helped them circumnavigate their college and career decisions. My work as an educator goes beyond the limits of teaching and is strongly influenced by my commitment to public philosophy and a continual striving to provide access to academic trainings, insights, and conversations, including access for those who have been historically excluded from university settings. In 2016, I founded the African Literati, a public programming and literary arts company that provides curated events for companies, community organizations, and working spaces. Through this company and since 2018, I've been hosting monthly interactive workshops in Philadelphia framed around African literature and African writers from the continent and the diaspora. #StayLitPhilly. I was awarded the 2019 Leeway Foundation Art and Social Change Grant for the workshops I produced through my company, the African Literati. Currently, I am writing a novel. In this novel, I try to depict a non-traditional coming-of-age story about love. And if you would like to read an excerpt from my novel, you can access it here on this website, but also you can access it directly by following this link on my Instagram page at novel_lifestyle. I will be discussing my novel and my writing journey on Instagram Live this Wednesday, July the 29th, 2020 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And in June, this past June, I decided to live stream my writing journey on my Instagram page at novel_lifestyle. And I host a weekly Instagram Live series, Writer's Block Wednesday, where I interview new Black and POC writers about their writing process and discuss how they overcome writer's block. If you would like to learn more about the non-academic literary arts or public programming work that I perform, you can just, again, follow the link on my Instagram page at novel_lifestyle. I hope that this provided you with more and greater context into my background, my experience, and also my commitments. I look forward to engaging in this course with you and also talking you through the designing of community-based learning courses. Take care.